That feeling of being heavy, bloated, and sluggish. What if it wasn't just about what you ate today, but about what's been stuck inside you for days or even weeks? Medical studies suggest that the average person can carry between 2 to 5 kilograms of accumulated waste in their colon. This isn't just about discomfort. It's about toxicity, low energy, and a digestive system that's fallen asleep. But tonight, you can change that. I'm going to show you one simple, natural drink. A single cup taken before bed that can act like a gentle internal broom, sweeping your gut clean while you sleep. No harsh chemicals. No expensive supplements. Just nature's most effective cleanser, working overnight so you can wake up feeling lighter, brighter, and energized. The silent digestion crisis. After 50. Why does this become such a battle as we get older? It's not your fault. It's biology. After 50, several key changes occur. Your stomach produces less acid, making it harder to break down food completely. The muscles in your digestive tract lose tone, meaning they're less effective at moving waste along in the rhythmic waves known as peristalsis. You may naturally become less hydrated and eat less fiber without even realizing it. When this perfect storm hits, waste moves sluggishly. When stool sits in your colon for too long, toxins and waste products that your body is trying to eliminate can actually be reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. This is a primary reason for that unexplained fatigue, brain fog, and even skin issues that so many seniors struggle with. You're not just constipated, you're experiencing a system-wide backup. The recipe: the overnight flush elixir. Before I share this incredibly simple recipe, here's something wild. 99% of people watching this aren't subscribed yet. We're on a mission to reach 100,000 subscribers this month, and we need you with us. If you're ready to feel lighter, beat the bloat, and boost your energy, hit subscribe and like this video right now. Let's build the most powerful health community on YouTube together. Now let me show you your new nightly ritual, what I call the warm flax and lemon gut flush. Here's your powerful yet gentle solution. Gather these simple ingredients. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed must be ground to release the benefits. The juice from half a fresh lemon. 1 cup of warm water, not boiling hot, as it can destroy some of the lemon's enzymes. 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, optional but highly recommended for its soothing properties. Here's your simple nightly routine. 1. Pour the warm water into your favorite mug. 2. Stir in the ground flaxseed vigorously. 3. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. This is crucial. It allows the soluble fiber in the flax to expand and form a gentle, gelatinous bulk. 4. Now stir in the fresh lemon juice and the raw honey if you're using it. Drink this slowly on an empty stomach, about 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. Why this trio is a digestive miracle. The flaxseed swells in your intestines, gently pushing against the walls to stimulate peristalsis and acting like a soft brush to sweep out old debris. The lemon stimulates bile production from your liver, which is your body's natural laxative, helping to emulsify fats and get things moving. The honey is a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, and it soothes the intestinal lining, making the whole process comfortable. 3 additional gut cleansing recipes. If you want to vary your routine or have different ingredients on hand, here are 3 more powerful recipes that work wonders for gut health. 1. The spiced apple cider vinegar cleanse. Perfect for boosting digestion and liver function. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. 1 teaspoon raw honey. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. A pinch of turmeric. 1 cup warm water. Mix all ingredients in warm water until honey dissolves. Drink 20 minutes before breakfast. Apple cider. Vinegar stimulates stomach acid for better protein digestion, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, reducing cravings. 2. The ginger turmeric anti-inflammatory shot. Ideal for reducing gut inflammation and bloating. Ingredients: 1 inch fresh ginger root, grated. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. 1 cup warm water. Grate ginger into a cup. Add other ingredients and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and drink slowly in the morning. Ginger and turmeric are powerful anti-inflammatories that soothe the gut lining and improve motility. 3. The aloe, vera, and mint soothe, best for sensitive stomachs and IBS symptoms. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons pure aloe, vera juice, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, half a cucumber, blended, juice of half a lime, half a cup water. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink in the evening, 2 hours after dinner. Aloe vera heals the gut lining, while mint relaxes digestive muscles, reducing spasms and discomfort. How to use these recipes. Choose 1 recipe per day. Rotate them weekly for maximum benefits. Listen to your body. If one recipe doesn't suit you, try another. Combine with the warm water habit first thing in the morning. Pro tip: keep a simple journal to track how each recipe makes you feel. Within a week, you'll know exactly which one your body loves most. What to expect. The transformation. When you do this right, the results are not dramatic in a bad way, but profoundly positive. Here's what you can realistically expect within 24 to 48 hours. You'll notice a significant reduction in bloating and that full feeling. Your stomach will appear flatter. Most importantly, you'll feel a natural, gentle urge to have a bowel movement without any straining or cramping. After 3 to 4 consecutive nights, many people report feeling lighter, having more energy throughout the day, and even sleeping more deeply because their body isn't working overtime on digestion. Supercharge your flush. Optional boosters. If you have a more stubborn system or you simply want to enhance the effects, here are 3 powerful natural boosters you can add to your nightly drink. 1. Psyllium husk, 1 teaspoon. This is pure soluble fiber. It adds significant bulk to the mixture, making it even more effective at clearing out waste. Critical note: if you add psyllium, you must drink an extra glass of water afterward, as it absorbs a lot of liquid. 2. Ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Ginger is a prokinetic, meaning it stimulates the muscular movements of your digestive tract. It's also fantastic for reducing intestinal gas and calming nausea. 3. Aloe vera juice, 2 tablespoons. If you suffer from dryness or inflammation in the intestines, aloe vera is a miracle worker. It soothes the gut lining and helps with the sensation of incomplete emptying. The common habits that block your progress. Even the best remedy can be undermined by daily habits. Avoid these common mistakes that quietly make constipation worse. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning it dehydrates you, which is the opposite of what your gut needs to move waste. Over-relying on dairy, cheese, and other dairy products can be very binding for many people. Skipping breakfast. Eating a morning meal sends a powerful signal to your colon to initiate movement, known as the gastrocolic reflex. Skipping it misses this daily cue. Ignoring the urge to go. When you get the signal, listen to it. Consistently delaying it can weaken the nerve signals over time, making it harder to go when you finally try. Your digestive health is the foundation of your overall well-being. You don't have to accept bloating and constipation as a normal part of aging. This 1-cup method is a simple, safe, and powerful way to hit the reset button on your gut health. Commit to trying this for just 3 to 5 nights. Listen to your body. The improvements you'll feel won't just be in your digestion, they'll be in your mood, your sleep quality, and your energy to live a life fully. Now, I have a question for you. Will you be trying this overnight flush tonight? If you do, come back and let me know your results in the comments. There's nothing more motivating than hearing your success stories. If you're ready to take more simple, natural steps to feel your best after 50, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. We're here to help you unlock vibrant health from the inside out. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and freedom from bloat.